Alright, crippled cutting in the rain. Lots of fun, yeah. He lied.
On one foot. Nice.
Oh, do you need a confirmation?
Nice. That's okay.
We've all been there.
Nice.
Don't hit the wood. Don't hit the wood. That's my goal right now.
That's a shitty kind of plastic that just breaks instead of getting cut. Nice.
I'm going to be making funny faces on the slow-mo, I know this. And that's what I'm trying to avoid.
Shake them as obstacles.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. That sound.
That's neat.
Nice.
Yeah, he's spoiled with that sword, eh?
Oh yeah. Well, it's not as if I don't know that he's waiting on another Albion.
Oh! Well, at least he shares his impulse buys with you.
It's not an impulse buy, that's Patreon saved up for half a year.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, that doesn't get a lot of use out of that.
No.
Like that. Looks good, but otherwise. That actually did cut off nice.
Yep, we could see that.
That's a tough container.
Yeah.
He's a fast learner. Nice.
Good one.
You wanted a small serving tray, right?
The reason I'm not going out there because I know how I am when I'm wet.
That sounds wrong.
Same way I am.
Fellow cripple! Fail.